lie for you. Igbo ló pọ̀ jù lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń kú fún yín tàmí lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹlẹ́yọ̀ ti súnmọ́ o, gbogbo wọn ti kókó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, most of them wọ́n ti wà lẹ́yìn odi. Ẹlòmíì gbé láfẹ́wá, ẹlòmíì gbé láyé tòrò, that is Ogun State. From Opo Junction is Ogun State. Mo lọ ṣe kéèsì kan ní sáìdì Ògìjò, sáìdì kan lógìjò. Nígbà tí màá débẹ̀ ní Kòròdú ni o, pàtí màá débẹ̀ mo ní àtìsí olè wọn ní Ogun State ni mo ní ẹjọ́ ẹ tó bá ti wá sí kéèsì mo ní kójọ kó má bínú o, Lagos èlè mi ń jà fún. Mo wá rí àwọn èèyàn ń bẹ̀, àwọn ọmọ Èkó. So gbogbo ṣáàjáde wọn wá kí ni bàrán àwọn máa níṣẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ àpá ìbọ̀ra ni ó ní eléyìí ní Mushin, eléyìí Surulere, eléyìí Ìkọ̀tún, eléyìí.
The bulldozers are back in Lagos. Shops are crashing, markets are falling, and thousands of families are being thrown into uncertainty. The official explanation: illegal structures, but Lagosians are asking, is this really about building permits and drainage? Or is there a deeper, silent plan to change the future of Lagos ahead of the 2027 elections? Because if you look closely, you will notice something striking. Almost every demolition wave targets markets and building, where Igbos are the majority. And that raises the uncomfortable question: is Lagos quietly trying to push the Igbos out before 2027? Let's begin today's analysis with Igbo dominance in Lagos. Let's be honest, the Igbo presence in Lagos is massive. From Alaba International Market to Ladepo, from Balogu to Trade Fair, from Computer Village to Festac, Igbos dominate the commercial heartbeat of Lagos. They are landlords, tenants, developers, and entrepreneurs. They are the traders who turn a swamp into a city, who build malls out of sand-filled wetlands, who turn shanties into skyscrapers. And politically, their numbers are no joke. In 2023, Peter Obi, an Igbo man, defeated Bola Ahmed Tinubu in his own Lagos for the first time in decades. The myth of Lagos as Tinubu's untouchable fortress was broken. That single moment changed everything. Let's see the fear of 2027. Now imagine what happens if that repeats in 2027. If Igbos remain strong, united, and present in Lagos, they can tilt not only presidential outcome in Lagos, but also influence the governorship. That fear is real among Lagos ruling class. And history shows that when political elites are afraid, they don't just fight at the ballot box. They fight with policies, laws, and sometimes bulldozers. By demolishing markets and displacing Igbo populations, Lagos weakens their voter strength. Families forced out of Lagos before 2027 cannot line up to vote again.